Hi guys, in this lecture we will discuss that using trigonometric ratios, how do we find the sides and angles of the right triangle when some parts of it are given. So we'll take the example on this. So in the first example we are given that in the given right triangle, angle A is 90 degree, angle C is 48 degree and hypotenuse is 15 centimeter. So you have to find the remaining two sides and the third angle. That means these two sides are to be found and also the third angle. So first we will find the sides and then we'll find the third angle. So first, reference angle. Is 48 degree, so which is angle C. Hypotenuse is 15 centimeter and angle A is given to be 90 degree. So opposite to 48 degree, the side opposite to 48 degree is the opposite side. Now this one is hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, so the third remaining side is the adjacent side. That means we have to find out the opposite side as well as the adjacent side. So we take, let opposite side be x centimeters and the adjacent side be y centimeter. So this we take as x and this one as y. Now we will use SOHCAHTOA to find out the sides x and y. So how do we use it? That I'll tell you. So first we write SOHCAHTOA so that we'll come to know that how do we use it. Now the reference angle is 48 degree, hypotenuse is 15 centimeters and we have to find the side x opposite. So you have to use the trigonometric ratio in which h, that means which is given, and the opposite. So you can see opposite you have to find out and h is given. So we can use sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse for finding out the side x. So we write using this SOH, we write sine the reference angle. The reference angle is C, so we write sine C is equal to O here is opposite, H is hypotenuse. So it is sine 48 degree is equals to opposite is x, so we write x here and hypotenuse is 15. Now to find out this x, we now multiply both sides by 15 so that this gets cancelled. That means x is equal to 15 times sine 48 degree. So you can find out sine 48 degree using the calculator. So it is 15 times sine 48 is 0.7431 up to 4 decimal places I have taken. So which will give us x is equals to 11.15 centimeters. Approximately we'll take it up to 2 decimal places. Now we have to find the third side. So for finding the third side, we will use the other trigonometric ratio. Now which ratio should be used so to find out the adjacent side? So for the adjacent side, we'll write this has to be found out y and hypotenuse is given. We will not use the opposite side because opposite side is now in decimal, so we'll avoid it and we'll use cosine ratio. So it is CAH, or from here we can write cos, the reference angle is C is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. That means cos of 48 degree, adjacent we have to find out it is y and hypotenuse is 15. So now it is again multiplying both sides by 15. So we'll cancel this out. So it is 15 times cos 48 degree is equals to y. So using the calculators you can see cos 48 up to 4 decimal places it's 0.6691 or we'll get y is equals to 10.04 centimeter. It is rounding up to 2 decimal places. Now we have to find the third angle also now. So finding out the third angle, we can use the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 90 degree as in the question. B we have to find out, and C is 48 degree. So angle B is 180 degree minus 138 degree. So that means angle B is equals to 42 degree. So we have found the remaining three parts, the two sides and the third angle. Now we'll take the second example. In the right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle A is 64 and AB is 5 centimeters. Now one side of the triangle is given other than the hypotenuse. So we'll find the remaining sides and the angle. So for finding out, first we'll write the reference angle. Angle A here. So it is given to be 64 degree. So opposite to 64. This is the side BC, which is opposite side. Now hypotenuse is always the side opposite to angle 90 degree. That means this AB is the adjacent side. So we write hypotenuse. We have to find out adjacent. This one is adjacent. So adjacent side is given to be 5 centimeter. We have to find out the hypotenuse and the opposite side. So we write let hypotenuse be x and opposite side be y centimeters. So this we take as x and this one as y. Now we have to see that which trigonometric ratio. So first I'm writing SOHCAHTOA. Now adjacent side is given. So adjacent, you can see it is in these two. We have to find the hypotenuse. So finding hypotenuse, we can use this cosine ratio. So we'll write cos of the reference angle is angle A here. So cosine angle A is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cosine angle A, that means cos of 64 degree. This is equals to adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse we have taken it as x. So multiply by x so that it gets cancelled. So x is equals to 5 upon cos of 64 degree. So we can write by seeing the values. So it is 5 upon cos 64 can be seen from the calculators. So it is 4383 up to 4 decimal places, which will be 11.41 centimeters. That means x is 11.41 centimeter. So x is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 11.41 centimeter. Now we have to find out the opposite side y. We will use the adjacent side. We will not use the hypotenuse since it is in decimal. We avoid using the decimal values. So we use the adjacent side, which is, you can see in the tangent ratio. So opposite we have to find, adjacent, and we have to find the opposite. So here it is the opposite. That means we can use the tangent ratio. So it is tangent A is equals to opposite upon adjacent. So A angle is 64. So 64 degree is equals to opposite we have to find out y and adjacent is 5. So we multiply both sides by 5. So this gets cancelled. So y is equals to 5 times tan 64 degree. So tan 64 degree is 2.0503. When we multiply this, it is 10.25. So y is the opposite side, so we write the opposite side is 10.25 centimeter. So we have found the two sides of the right triangle which were not given. Now the third angle is C. So using the angle sum property, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A is 64 degree, B 90 degree. Angle A is 64, B is 90, angle C we have to find out. So sum of these two, 64 and 90, it is 154. So it is minus 154. So angle C from here is 26 degree. So this way you can find out the third angle and also the two sides using the trigonometric ratios. So I will continue this in the next lecture, in which we will be finding out the angle of a right triangle, acute angles of the right triangle, when the sides of the right triangle are given. If you have liked the video, give a big thumbs up and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.